TV. Guess it. So today I'm going to be unboxing my dirt bike helmet and my goggles and my gloves. Let's get into it.
You already have your dirt bike?
Not yet, but my dirt bike coming.
It's coming. It's on the way.
Yep.
And it's for your birthday, right?
It's for my birthday. Come on. Ooh.
That's nice.
Y'all see this thing? Let's check out the goggles. Ooh, these goggles is fresh. Ooh, let's check out the gloves. We got the gloves. So this the front, y'all. This the side. This the other side. And this the back.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to try on the helmet for the first time.
Can you fit it?
I can fit it. Alright. Ooh.
You put on the gloves. See if they fit.
Oh wait, let me take this off so I can see better.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am. And complete. Now time to put back on this. And have it good. This is the second part of my unboxing video. Let's get into it. So, what is this?
What is it?
It's my cane.
What did you say it was?
It's what my dirt bike do.
It's your chest protector.
Oh, my chest protector. Where's the box?
You want to turn it around? Okay, I like it.
Me too. So, as you see, I got everything on. I got my chest on, I got my helmet, I got my goggles. Guys, tell me how y'all like it in the comments. So y'all, the next part of my video is the best part of it all. I'm going to be able to see my dirt bike. What is that? This is dirt bike. Dirt bike. If I can... What did you do? Oh, I think so. Make sure you don't cut your fingers.
That's right. Safety first.
Whoa. Let me see. Doesn't he already have a dirt bike? I got a regular bike. That's why you were so excited about your dirt bike. The handle? Is that the handle?
And we got to put the handlebars on, you guys.
Whoa. Yeah, this is that gasoline. That. We have to get some oil. We're back with my dirt bike. We just have to go get some oil and some gas. So now, let's put the oil in the gas inside my dirt bike. How is it blue? Just this way.
Yeah, what a break. Huh? What a gas? Throttle. Brake.
Did I get done?
Did you get dirt wet?
What happened to your camera? We're at the park today, and I'm gonna be riding. I was gonna use my other little camera, but I've decided not. We're back from the park. I rode my dirt bike into all the gas ran out. So I have to close the video. So see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.